Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to dub a video using AI in 2024. So today we are diving into how to dub videos in AI in 2024. Of course, AI powered dubbing tools have made it easier than ever to translate and synchronize audio for your videos, ensuring some high quality and natural sounding result. Whether you are looking to reach a wider audience or simply add a new language to your content, these steps will get you through. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave4, you can use this wherever you want. And now it's time to select an AI dubbing tool that suits your needs. In 2024, popular tools includes Descript, Papercup, and Replica Studio. I'll go and show you three options. So just go here to URL section, look for this Crypt, and open new tab, go to Papercup, and last option is simply Replica like Studios. And yeah, so here I'll just go to all of them like this one, okay, and this one, and simply the scripts. So as you can see, you can do your own research first of all and see these tools. Choose of course a tool based on like features of it and ease to use, language supports, and many of these tools of course offer some free trial. You can test them before even committing to one of their plans. And of course, you don't like make yourself just in these three options. You can look for other options, as example in the internet, if something like attracts your attention. So example, this voice AI, text to speech for creators. Description example, it's going to be the same, but this one it seems like it can dub videos maybe. So example, you can play the video here and see default which is English, and you can put English as example. It changed the video and Portuguese, German, French, and Italian. So I don't think you can't hear like the video. It's better just because of copyright or something like that. But as you can see, it's actually like changing the language. So of course here you can simply click on book a demo. As you can see, AI dubbing perfected by humans, so you can distribute a video on the world's top social streaming platform. So just go and click on book a demo. As you can see, fill up your informations. Like I'll just fill up here my informations like first name, like last name, as an example, business email address. Just put this. Okay, so like Gmail, of course, is not a business email address, so I'll not be able to use Gmail. And company website example. So I'll just enter something random. Then simply, of course, please select one language or multiple, of course, language for your content. Example, I have like English, like maybe. Video I want to have dub in French and Spanish. I'll just do French and Spanish, why not? So and then click on submit. Of course for me I'll not be able to submit until I change this, so I'll just choose here something random like .com. I don't know if it's even this work. It's like a random email. It's not even working. So as you can see, thank for requesting a demo. You should receive a confirmation email, and one of our colleagues will be in touch with you shortly. If you have not received it, please check your spam folder. And as you can see, if you want to use this one, you'll basically have to go to your simply personal email, or sorry, a business email, and you'll find like they sent you an email, and you can simply go through from there to start using this AI dubbing tool. So basically, how to use it is actually very easy. All you need to do, so let me just go back. All you need to do is simply insert a video from your media, like video you're talking about something in your language. Normally, as you can see, they don't support a lot of like things. Of course, they support just some few languages, not like every language in the world, but they support the main ones like English, Spanish, German, Portuguese, French, Italian, Mandarin, as you can see, a lot of stuff. So if you don't want to know more about them, of course, you can scroll down to read more information about them and etc. And as I said, all you need to do is simply upload your own video from media. Once it's uploaded, of course, you can choose the language that you can add on the edits, of course, video option. You can choose the language that you want to add as a dub. As an example, you want to add Spanish, you'll be able to add it. Portuguese, German, French, Italian, you'll be able to do it very, very easily. It should not take from you a lot. So other options, if you want, as we said, to dub the videos, it will be a little bit manual. You will use, of course, this replica and this script for it as example, so you can get started today, etc. on both of these platforms. So basically, you'll have to go to your email, or sorry, to your like video. Make sure so user already exists. Make sure to get like for yourself. Sorry. So make sure to get for yourself like subtitles for the video. You can even do it on your own video editor platform. Basically, just go and get that. Of course. So user not verified. So let me just go and create another account. Why not? And let's name it this. Click on agree. Click on sign up. And yeah. So I'll go to my email. Why not? So as I said, you'll need to go and get or a CC for your own or subtitles. And of course, you'll need to go and translate those subtitles. Then simply go back here to Replica Studios and enter those translated subtitles. Get the voice of those translated, of course, subtitles. And simply you can implement it on your video to get another dub. As I said, so that's the kind of only option if you want to use these two platforms, because this will change just the text into speech for you as example. So I'll just go and show you this one also. So okay, yeah, this one should be it. So I'll just go to spam folder just in case. Okay, what about all mails? So it seems like okay, yeah, it's this one. I did not pay attention to it. So you can just close this and this. Of course, for this one, I'll just go in here and sign up with Google. I guess I already have an account on this script also. And yeah, so here I'll just go and close this. Set a new password. I'll just set up this one as an example. Here I'll just confirm that password right here. Click on activate. And yeah, so we went through this, no need to go back into it. So as I said, here all you need to do is simply change text to speech as example. You can even change speech to speech as example, so drag and drop audio, but it will basically change like the sound of it. So here basically enter text to speech. So choose the language. As I said, that's how we're going to enter like maybe French. Just choose the voice that you want to use. And once you choose of course, once you have the subtitles of your video, as I said, translate it, go here, get it, enter it, and click on generate basically. So click on generate and you will get like the subtitle or the audio. You can simply add the audio on your other video and it should be dubbed as example with AI. So you can say with AI because there's not a lot of tools that can do this for you as example, like Total Think, which is dubbed the video by its own, other than the other one that I showed you before, but it will require a demo, so I'll not be able to show you exactly how. So this one is going to be the same basically. You'll have to translate it, get this back here, get the audio, and implement it to your video so you can dub it automatically. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.